sunken concrete slab usually means one thing: tear it out and repour. Polyurethane slab lifting does it differently. It raises the slab back in minutes with no demolition. Here is how the process works. Step 1. Find the drop. Driveways, warehouse floors, roads, they settle as the soil below shifts. Traditional repair means breaking and replacing the whole slab. Step 2. Drill. Just a few small holes straight through the slab. Step 3. Inject. 2-component polyurethane resin is pumped under the slab. Step 4. It expands. On contact with air, the foam expands many times over, raising the slab evenly back to level. Step 5. It cures. Within minutes, the foam hardens, and the surface carries full load again. No demolition, no downtime, a fraction of the cost. Roads, driveways, warehouses, foundations. We build the polyurethane injection machines that do it. Tell us your project, we will spec the machine.